discover the magical power of the number 3. In this video, you will learn how to use ancient wisdom to achieve success, happiness, and harmony in life.
Friends, welcome. Today, we are going to embark on an amazing journey through the world of numbers to discover the secret powers of the number 3. This number is everywhere, from religious texts to our everyday lives. But have you ever wondered why it's specifically 3? Are you ready to unveil secrets that can help change your life for the better? Stay with us, and you will find out how the number 3 can become your key to success, happiness, and harmony. The number 3 has long been considered special, a magical number in various cultures. Think of the famous triads, the Holy Trinity, the Three Musketeers, and 3 wishes. These examples illustrate how the number 3 permeates every aspect of our lives. In religion and mythology, the number 3 occupies a central place. In Christianity, we have the Holy Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. In Hinduism, there are 3 main deities, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. These examples show how the number 3 symbolizes unity and wholeness. But why is the number 3 so important? It lies in its universality and ability to unite. The number 3 represents the beginning, middle, and end, past, present, and future. It symbolizes balance and completeness. In astrology, the number 3 is associated with the planet Jupiter, which governs growth, expansion, and wisdom. People born under the influence of the number 3 tend to possess optimism and a capacity for learning. In psychology, the number 3 is used to describe human thinking and behavior. For example, the triune brain theory divides our brain into 3 parts, the reptilian, the limbic, and the neocortex. This helps us understand how we process information and make decisions. The number 3 is also linked to the principle of the triadic iteration in personal growth. This is the idea that to achieve goals, 3 key steps are necessary: planning, action, and evaluation of results. Let's look at examples from modern life. Many successful companies use the rule of 3 in their operations, whether it's 3 main goals, 3 stages of production, or 3 strategic directions. This helps maintain focus and efficiency. Now let's talk about how you can harness the power of the number 3 in your life. Start by setting 3 main goals for the upcoming year. This will help you concentrate and not scatter your efforts across numerous tasks. Try applying the number 3 in your daily routine. For example, begin your morning with 3 important tasks that need to be accomplished. This will help you organize and boost your productivity. Another way to use the number 3 is through 3 steps to effective communication. First, listen, then think, and only then respond. This helps avoid misunderstandings and conflicts. In relationships, the number 3 also plays a vital role. 3 key components of a successful marriage are love, trust, and respect. Focus on these aspects, and your relationships will grow stronger. Think of your favorite stories or films. Many are structured around the principle of 3 brothers, 3 trials, 3 victories. This isn't by chance, as the number 3 creates a harmonious and complete narrative. Creative individuals also frequently turn to the number 3. Composers create triads, artists use 3 primary colors, and writers build plots in 3 acts. This helps create works that resonate with audiences. Don't forget that the number 3 can assist you in finding inspiration. Make a list of 3 things that inspire you and refer to it when you feel creatively stuck. In financial planning, the number 3 can also be beneficial. Identify 3 main investment areas or 3 savings goals. This will help you manage your finances more effectively. Remember the rule of 3 in sports. 3 training sessions or 3 goals for the season can help improve your fitness and achieve athletic success. The number 3 can also assist in decision-making. Consider 3 possible options and weigh their pros and cons. This will help you make a more informed choice. In business, the number 3 can be used to enhance customer experience. 3 levels of service or 3 unique offers can help you stand out from competitors and attract more clients. Remember that the power of the number 3 lies in its simplicity and universality. Use it in various areas of your life, and you will notice how it becomes more harmonious and balanced. Don't be afraid to experiment with the number 3. Find your own way to apply it, whether in work, creativity, or personal life. the number 3 can become your loyal ally on the path to success. Trust in its power and use it to achieve your goals. Ultimately, the number 3 helps us find balance and harmony in a chaotic world. It reminds us of the importance of unity and wholeness. As we wrap up the main part, remember that the number 3 is not just a digit. It's a symbol of opportunities and perspectives. Harness the power of the number 3 in your life, and you will find it becoming brighter, richer, and more successful. Dear viewers, I hope our journey into the world of the number 3 has been enlightening and inspiring for you. If you want to learn more about numerology and how to use it to achieve success, please like and subscribe to our channel. If we reach 5,000 likes, I will prepare a special episode on how to calculate your financial code using numerology and become successful. Share this video with your friends and comment on how you plan to use the number 3 in your life. Until next time, friends, remember that the number 3 is the key to harmony, success, and happiness.